I have boogered up my share of bee suits, but I'm going to show you a way to store them because they do take up a lot of room. So I like to keep the gloves in the pockets, the Velcro pockets. I already put them in the other suit. And storage is a problem when I'm storing them long term, but even I just want to have a go box that I can just go do a cutout real quick. So I'll take the legs and I'll fold them up halfway up. Then I'll just tuck the arms in halfway. Fold the whole thing over one more time. The arms back in here. And then just kind of fold them in half like that. Give another little roll. And very gently tuck it inside the lid. The veil. Whatever you'd like to call it. My friend Nancy, who was fabulously talented in so many ways, hand sewed a replacement veil for me. And little stretchy doodads for your legs. These are highly technical beekeeping terms. So now I'm left with the lid, and I can store it like that with my other suit. And I have a little Rubbermaid container, and I have a small container that just fits my smoker, my tool, and my lighter, and a bandana, of course, and any other little doodads I might need. Spray bottle with sugar water helps. And there you have it, a nice safe way to store your bee suit and gloves.